Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at your weather week ahead here on ArklateXHomepage.com, as well as the ArklateXHomepage.com app. And as we look at the weather pattern, you can see upper level high pressure. You can clearly see the clockwise circulation with that high centered over about Knoxville, Tennessee. We are looking at a disturbance in the bottom of this high in the northern Gulf of Mexico that has produced a few pop-up showers today. Around Shreveport, we've seen a little bit of rainfall, but the rain is much more numerous further to the south. Let's give you a look at where this system may be heading in the next couple of days, and we are going to be, the high actually moving to the east. The disturbance in the Gulf will continue to work its way towards the north and west. We'll also be watching a front, which will increase the rainfall chances later this week across especially the northern half of the area, with it look like basically Wednesday, Thursday, the 2 days where we could have the most widespread rain, and then we could have another disturbance move across the northern Gulf of Mexico, perhaps continuing our rainfall chances through the weekend. And one more thing too, by the time we get to Friday, you can see that the center of new development of upper level high pressure will try to redevelop to our northwest over the southern plains, over parts of western Oklahoma. We'll have to see exactly how strong that gets. But right now, we're beginning to see these ridges get broken down a bit more often, which obviously is a good thing, which will give us a little bit more in terms of rainfall chances across the region. Speaking of that, Robin's Toyota Futurecast showing you the spotty nature of the rain mainly across the southern half of the area this afternoon and this evening. That activity rapidly falls apart. We'll see a clear to partly cloudy sky across the area tonight. Tomorrow, looking at a mix of clouds and sunshine. Again, a little bit more coverage as far as those scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially from I-20 southward. As you can see there with Futurecast, that activity will fall apart tomorrow evening once we cool off. Then as we head into Wednesday, we will see the mix of clouds and sunshine. Notice showers and thunderstorms. This only takes us out to 2 p.m. This activity, again, will slide its way towards the north and probably will be most widespread Wednesday across the northern or southern sections of the area. As we look to the north, you can see these are the showers and thunderstorms associated with a cold front, which will try to increase the rainfall chances Wednesday night, Thursday across the north. Rainfall potential. Again, this is the outlook from Futurecast, taking you through most of Friday. And you can see the model is showing much of the area, especially south of Interstate 20, good inch and a half of possibility during the next 4 days. Could see totals approach an inch over the northern sections of the area with a front which is eventually going to sag through. So again, looking a little bit more promising that we'll see at least a half an inch to an inch across much of the area, with a few scatter locations picking up at least an inch of rainfall. Here's a look at rainfall perhaps for the next week. And this is the GFS model, and you can see that it really doesn't add much more to the rainfall here through the weekend. So again, this model showing the heaviest totals across the southern half of the area, a little bit lighter amounts across the north because it doesn't really bring that front as far to the south. Temperature-wise across the area tonight, we're looking at lows in the mid-70s. These readings will be several degrees above normal. In fact, for Texarkana now, 69 is normal, 71 is normal for Shreveport. Will be a good 4 or 5 degrees above normal tonight. Tomorrow, looking at daytime highs, not quite as hot as we've seen recently, basically in the mid-90s across the area. 95 for the high in Shreveport, 93 for your high temperature in Texarkana. So your 7-day forecast show you Shreveport numbers first of all. Highs basically in the mid-90s, lows for the most part in the mid-70s. Best rainfall chances probably tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then we'll see perhaps another disturbance give us a little bit of a better chance of rain as we look ahead to Sunday. But by then should be very, very isolated. For Texarkana, rainfall chances looking lower for most of the 7-day period. You can see your best rainfall chances probably Wednesday and Thursday, but you probably will not see as much rain. Your daytime highs in the low to mid-90s, overnight lows for the most part in the middle 70s for you as well. So all in all, better news in the weather department is that we do have a chance for some needed rain across the region, although it will be rather scattered and most widespread across the southern half of the area. Also looking at a moderation in temperatures as we try to fall back to at least closer to where we should be for the end of August.